Yeah, I scored 4 goals.
You scored 4 goals. That was huge, man. What brought you here? What brought you here? Is it something that you normally do, or like it's just for today?
Just for today, bro.
It's just for today?
Yeah.
All right. It feels good.
Just casually woke up and
Cas-
scored 4
Okay.
goals.
I see. Are you a professional player, or is football is your passion?
Is this football? I thought it was volleyball.
Oh! You thought it was a volleyball. Why?
I don't know, man, because lots of people are just running around all randomly.
Oh, I see.
What's your name, bro?
Yeah, I'm Kwame, man.
Nice to meet
Kwame.
you. Why didn't you play?
No, bro, I wasn't ready. I mean, I need to be ready. I don't want to be running around like, as you say, to tag me as a volleyball player. I need to be ready. All right, thank you.
How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, I'm doing well. I talked to somebody. The guy said that you guys were playing like volleyballers. How was your experience today, man?
I think it was a pretty good game.
It was pretty good.
Yeah, it's a good experience.
You look so tired.
Yes, because we were playing an hour before, like the new guy came.
Okay.
So yeah, so we started playing at 5:30.
Oh, I see. How was your team? How did your team do?
Sometimes good,
I
sometimes
think my team did pretty good.
Oh, was your team that was scoring the goals?
we won, right?
Like it's a part of the game, right?
Oh, so you didn't win. I remember. I mean, one team was scoring more goals.
Yeah.
You were conceiving, eh?
Probably like we were only just 1 goal down.
It looks like your team. You guys eat too much. You couldn't even be running on the field. All right. So like it happens every week or like just
No,
once a while.
like we always play like every Saturdays at like 5:30.
Okay.
So
I see.
5:30 till like 8:30 in the evening or 9.
So how are you able to get everybody here, or people just know that it's 5:30 Saturday? You have to come.
Yeah, Saturday like we do have like a small group on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So we do like a poll, like vote poll session. Like everybody can click like yes or no.
Okay.
So we kind of have a idea like how many people are coming in the ground.
I see.
So yeah.
All right. It's good.
But like today was a pretty good game. Like pretty like new people, new game. Like I think for the first time we played like in this round we played like full 11 people.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem.
എനിക്കറിയില്ല ഞാനില്ല Hey, how many are you? Count yourself. Everyone is playing. Whoever is in best is playing.
നീ അങ്ങനെ കേറി പോലെ നീ അവിടെ കളിക്കുന്നേ
I go here.
No. Be on them. Okay. Here.
There you go. Go forward. Nice go.
No. Big Go.
Yeah. Okay, good one.
Set it up.
Release the ball. Nice one. Go, shoot. Good work. Fall back, guys. Fall back. Come back home, guys. Good pressure. Good read. Nice one. Nice one.
If you want. Hey. Hey. One more.
Shoot. Nice one. Nice game, guys. Nice game. Nice game, guys. Coach. Coach. Good. Nice game, guys. Nice ball. Nice ball.
Clear.
Yeah, still, man.
Touch first. Hey.
That's up.
Tail tie.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
Backward.
Let's go. Let's go here.
Uh-oh.
Tuck it. In front. Tuck it.
Bro. Switch. Hey. Good job.
Nice one.
Yes.
Hey, bro.
Hey.
Go, bro. Hey.
Come on.
Hey.
We're offside.
Okay, fall back.
मेरे पीछे है कौन നമ്മളെ 7 കളിക്കൂലേ അതുപോലെ മുമ്പിൽ ആൾക്കാർ നോക്കി നിൽക്കുക ഞാനെന്താ കാട്ടുന്ന വന്നതാണ്
Yes.
Hey, bro, hey. There you go. Hey, one more.
Hey, same team.
Come on.
guys.
Hey.
Ready. Yeah.
Take the ball. Throw down. Yes, yes, man. Bra! Yeah, good. Just. Mark. You got it. Let it go. Let it go. Yeah. No, you're good. You're good. Hey. Oh, I like it. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Cross it. Nice. Back. Nice, bro. Help him, help him, help him. Can't stop this thing. Yes. Go square.
Ready, Roga?
Good.
Hey! Come on, away! Ready? Hello! Hey! Martin! Bro! Yeah, here. Length,